So this is a prerequisite of the video I'm making. I'll be testing various browsers for fingerprinting, how much they expose my data. So it's installing right now. So this is a separate video. I'll make a different video which will give the details of everything. You see, I already have browsers. I have Chrome, I have Brave, I have Microsoft Edge. Although I had to change the name, so I don't know the name. Well, is it now Copilot? I don't know. Then we have Firefox. Then we have Opera Mini. We will be testing these 5 browsers to see which one exposes most of my data online. Which one makes it easier for advertisers to find me and shove ads down my throat. So Firefox has completed installing, and I've pinned it to the taskbar. So I pinned the installer to the taskbar, but so when it completes, I usually just delete, then empty recycle bin. I like my desktop clean. So we now have 5 browsers ready. So let's open Firefox. The item reverse to has been changed or removed. So let me remove it. I think I pinned the wrong one. So read our terms, continue, pin Firefox to taskbar, set Firefox as default browser in both previous browser. Let me not set it as default because my default is Brave. So save and continue. Make Firefox feel more like home. Bring your passwords over. Browsing history set. I have nothing to import. I just need. Would you like to pin Firefox to the taskbar? Yes. So skip this step and explore staff recommended extension. Don't need the extension right now. For this, I just need to make an experiment. So it has already been to the taskbar. So I'll see you in the next video where I conduct the experiment. I was downloading the browsers that I didn't have already. I didn't have Firefox and I didn't have Opera. This was already installed. This came with Windows. I'm using Windows 10. So Microsoft Edge came with Windows 10. So I installed Chrome and Brave. So now it's time to do the test. So this video was just a prerequisite for the video that's coming very soon. So thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for that detailed video. So bye and see you in the next one.